What's up, everybody? Coop Trades here. Wanted to come on really quickly and do just a little bit of a watch list video for you guys. I know the one that we did on Monday, all the stocks did really, really well. All of you should have done tremendous if you would have followed even one of those ideas. I think 3 out of the 4 broke out, and the other one is still setting up, so we're still waiting on that one. But yeah, I'm pretty sure 3 out of 4 or 3 out of 5 of the ideas worked out already. So you guys should be pretty happy with that. And if you are and you want to see more stuff like that, tradesbycoop.com. Not going to say anything else because I'm post this in many servers, but tradesbycoop.com if you want more in-depth analysis every single day. But yeah, on that note, the Nasdaq is gapping up. ES did new all-time highs. Maybe not ES exactly, but SPY did as well as QQQ. Sorry, QQQ did new all-time highs. Absolutely insane. I can't believe it. Just literally like last week, we were down here at 555 and now we're all the way up at 640 again. So it's crazy to see, but in these times, I'm really not surprised. Oil is trading lower because of the negotiation talks, obviously. But yeah, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 stocks. Some of which, the ones towards the top are like breaking out currently or close to breaking out, and the ones towards the bottom are just kind of like setting up as we speak. So yeah, I don't know what else to say. I think that we should get right into it. Tradesbycoop.com. So FIGS would have been absolutely phenomenal for entries today. I just want to share this one with you guys. Just look at this break. We had this such strong break. Like look at the 1 hour time frame. It was towards the afternoon session, I believe. Yeah, because I was a little busy. I was trading. Oh, what was that ticker that we traded? I have it pulled up right here. SATS. I actually lost on SATS today. But if anybody actually took that trade, you shouldn't be down very much. But while that was happening, FIGS was also posting a breakout. So it's probably not good anymore for entries. Today was definitely the day to catch it. If it goes tomorrow, it goes tomorrow. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But I just wanted to share that with you guys. FIGS, solid ticker. That's just how powerful these setups are. Like this is a stock. Like just to put this into your perspective, FIGS has a 97 composite, which is a rating that IBD gives all of their tickers. So it's 97 composite. It has 98 relative strength. So that's what we trade. It's liquid, has great fundamentals, and it's trading nicely. That's all we like to see in the stocks that we trade. Nothing else. So that's why that one was on the watch list, on our radar, and that's why we could have, if you were paying attention. I posted many alerts on this today. But if you weren't, like I wasn't, we missed it. That's okay. We'll learn from it and we'll move on to the next setup, which is CRDO, in my opinion. We're pretty far extended from the 50-day moving average, but you can see we're just trying to break out of this previous pivot right around 168. And, this gapped up alongside the market. So, I mean, if we keep holding above 168, in my opinion, we could do 176 would be the next technical level, 176 to 193 to 214, and then to new all-time highs if we can hold above 168. It's a really strong stock. Let me just go pull up the fundamentals for you guys real quick because I always think it's very important for you guys to see the type of stocks that we're trading. We're not trading illiquid, shitty tickers. We're trading good stocks. This is a semiconductor company, 99 composite, 82 EPS, 97 relative strength compared to everybody else in the market. That's such a solid thing. Group relative strength, it sits in a pretty good group, and the semiconductor group. Next is VICR. It's the exact same thing as CRDO, kind of. It's already, or I say CRDO, it's kind of the same as FIGS. Today was probably the day to take it, or maybe even yesterday. I didn't necessarily have this on my watch list. I'm pretty sure. No. Okay. So yeah, I mean, yesterday or today, but I mean, even tomorrow, if it posts a flat day, an inside day to more upside, if it bases a little bit out here to the side, like if it consolidates at like that 192, 190 to 194 range, right in that 192, I mean, I think that it can consolidate and then go to 201 and then 210 after that potentially. MU, this one's a little interesting. I just threw it on there. I would be looking for some consolidation here. So this isn't something that I'm necessarily watching tomorrow unless we see an explosive move up above like 470, that next resistance would be kind of what I was looking at. But my hypothesis on this one kind of is going to be, some sideways, boom, 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 breakout to new highs. That's kind of what I'm watching for on MU. IREN, then again, not looking for it tomorrow. It's the exact same thing, but it does look pretty good. You know, it's setting up similar to how FIGS did. You know, we got that descending trend line, we got that bull flag. So if we can break above the bull flag at some point this week or next, I would be considering taking longs in IREN. SATS, I took a loss on this one today, but it's not off the watch list. You know, that 192, I mean, let's just look at the 5-minute time frame because I was trading it on the 5-minute time frame. I got a bad fill today, but nevertheless, I was trading it in power hour, I believe. I think I was like in like right above here and I got stopped out here. Because you can see we were trying to break out above 132. No, 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 no. I took it here. I remember. I took it right here and then we went up and it almost hit my take profit. I think my take profit was like 133 because I didn't want to hold overnight. And then my stop loss was somewhere like right here. So it was like a 1-2 risk to reward or whatever, 2-1, whatever. But yeah, we got stopped out on this name, but that doesn't mean it's off the watch list. I mean, the daily time frame still looks bullish to me. We had a pretty hard pivot rejection, you know, from 136 down, but yeah, in my opinion, it's still something to watch there on SATS. That is above like 132.50. HG similar. I would need to see some strength above 850, but this one I'm really liking. You know, if we see some strength above 850, we could see $10, and then that next technical level at like 1140. UFO, this one was on the watch list as well, I believe. Yeah, we just kind of had this cup, and it's kind of setting up into a handle here. I would be looking for either just a breakout above this like 53 area is what I would be looking for personally. Um, on this particular stock. We're kind of basing here. So yeah, a break above 53 would be nice for the stock, and that's where I would be looking to enter it. I think I covered all the basics. I think I covered everything. A couple stocks that we missed. I just wanted to point out the setups because a lot of you were asking, you know, how do you find these setups? Like, what do they actually mean? How do I know when to buy one of these setups? And that's always difficult. It takes a lot of trial and error. I mean, I'm still learning. Every single trader that I know is still learning. We're always learning on the job. But yeah, I mean, I'd probably have the trend line like right here, so it would have been hard to catch. But I mean, if we could have had, we missed this one like above pivot here, pivot here. So I mean, we could have caught it on last Thursday or even on Friday. We had a nice move up. So this is something that we definitely missed. Definitely a very strong ticker. CM, this one was a much simpler setup, ladies and gentlemen. I mean, just the pivot break. This was just 2 days ago. It's already missed. But I mean, that's just like a good example of a breakout. You know, a strong breakout into some more continuation, into some more upside. We broke previous pivot at 105, and now we're trading at 108 plus. So those are two stocks that we missed. I just wanted to share those with you guys. Just doing a quick screen through. Tesla posted its best day in like 9 months, I think, up like 8%. Netflix, Microsoft as well had a very nice day today. I'm a Microsoft buyer in the 300s, but I mean, this is also something I wanted to point out. This pivot here, testing resistance at like 413. If we can go above 413, then I think that this one can continue alongside the overall market. It's kind of been a laggard actually. You know, Microsoft, it's been lagging behind the other Mag 7, but it's still solid. I was a meta buyer at like 570 or something, but it's testing previous pivot. Around that 5 or 675 zone, would be looking for a break on that to add some more meta. GME broke out today, solid stock. Nvidia, Chewy, AMD. AMD is such a strong stock. I don't think I'll ever sell my AMD stock. It's going to 1,000, 2,000, in my opinion, anyways. Yeah, none of this is financial advice. MU, we talked about that setup. Mu. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it. If you guys watched till the end, thank you very much. I know that these videos aren't the most entertaining in the world, but I hope that they do help you in some sort of way. I know they help me, you know, get my thoughts together. So yeah, I hope they help you as much as they help me. So, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Remember, tradesbycoop.com if you want trade alerts like this every single day. And I'll see you guys on the flip side. Goodbye.